today. How is the wall? Alan's coming over tonight with my brand new album and stuff like that. Alan's coming over tonight with my brand new album. We might watch a movie. We might stuff our face with candy and grist. Alan's coming over today. Alan's coming over today. How is the wall? Alan's coming over today. Alan's coming over today. We might stuff our face with potato chips or Pringles. We might watch a scary movie on the big screen downstairs. Alan's coming over there. He's coming over today with my brand new album. Alan's coming over today. Oh, it's the wall. Alan's coming over today. I might get hyped up on caffeine. Stuff my face with candy and shit. Watch a trauma movie. Alan's coming over tonight. We might make another video, but Alan's coming over tonight. Alan's coming over tonight. Put your hands up, put your hands up. Alan's coming over tonight. Alan's coming over tonight. My bestie's coming over tonight. My BFF is coming over tonight. Alan's coming over tonight. Alan's coming over tonight. Alan's coming over tonight.